Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about Google Docs and their shortcut that you need to know if you are beginner to the Google Docs or if you are intermediate to Google Docs. You will need to know these shortcut for your better experience of Google Docs, right? Now let's go deep dive to our shortcuts, right? So first we can use Control Shift Y. So this shortcut we use to activate the instant dictionary, right? So you can highlight that text you need to be dictionary opened, right? So then you can press Control Shift Y, and then it will give the relevant information from the dictionary, right? Just like this. So we can go for the next shortcut. That one is Control Shift S, right? This Control Shift S need to be better remember, because this one is used to activate the Google Voice typing feature, right? So if you need to activate this feature, you can just press Control plus Shift plus S, right? So this one is working only with the Google Chrome browser, right? Not in the Firefox. So in Firefox this one work for get the screenshot, right? And next we can go for the Control plus H, that used for find and replace, right? So if you need to find some word, you can just press Control plus H and it will provide the interface that you can find and replace. And if you need to find the match case and use regular expressions, those things can be activated on here. And then just like this, you can find the text and you can replace it with the suitable text, right? So that one is used for find and replace the text in your document, right? So let's now used Control Alt plus C, and this one is used for copy the formatting style, right? Just like in Word, you can copy the text style like this. You can select the copy style and you can press Control Alt plus C, and then you can paste that style to the selected paragraph for the text, right? Just like this, right? So I have pasted that style on here. Just Control Alt plus C and Control Alt plus V, right? You need to paste the settings to there, right, for the selected formatting, right? And then we can apply the changes for that text. And now next we can go for the different shortcut that can use controlled uh, Shift plus C, right? This one is Control Shift plus C. So it used to identify the count of text and the relevant concept, right? Now let's press Control Alt plus C, and you can see there you can get the information, pages, words and character count, character excluding spaces, right? So you can display this settings. If you take the button on there, then you can attach that information to the your Google Docs space on the bottom corner, right? Just like this. Now you can see there was a 5 word, right? So next shortcut we can use is Control plus K. So this Control plus K used to bookmark your links, right? Or you can link some different places or the text as a link on here, right? You need to be type the text that you need to be bookmark, right side. Now I'm selecting topic, right? Let's see how this one works, right? So we can see where those informations were stored, right, in here. So I'm linking topic 2 on here, right? Just like this, I will select that topic 2 link on here, and then if you click this topic tree, it will redirect you to the topic 2 place, right, as a bookmark style, right? So next we can go for the different shortcut, right? That shortcut used to control find the version controlling, right? You know that there was a option called version control that you can find the pre-done activities, right? So you need to be pressed controlled alt shift plus h, right? And you can then find the version histories on there, so you can find the information who is done the your activities or the changes you have done in the past. So you can see like this the version history. So these are the top priority command or shortcut that you need to be identifying 2025. So try to use this shortcut for better experience, right? So if you learn something new, hit like and comment and share, you can with your friends, right? So next shortcut we will talk about controlled alt plus m that can use to activate the commenting feature, right? Control alt plus m, then it will activate the comment feature. You need to be highlight the where which text need to be highlighted or the commented, right? So you need to be highlight on there, and then you can then add the comment on there like this, right? So that's the whole command that we have learned on this video. So if you have any questions, you can comment on here. So thank you guys for your attentions for the whole video.